Good morning guys, in front of me is CAT B35 and let me show you how to locate IMEI number assigned to this device. First of all, you can provide a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And now you've got a serial number right in front of you. Tap on OK. And now another way to reach IMEI number is to open the settings. Then find device information and go a bit lower to more info. And now you can check IMEI number right here as well. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.